How does this turn into this? Keep watching. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? I am great. I hope you are too. In today's video, I want to talk to you about bringing quality to your DIYs. How to make things look upscale. You guys know that I do a lot of DIYs from things from the Dollar Tree. And I just go for a specific look when I'm designing a product. I don't like for my products to look cheap. I always want them to look like they came out of some boutique or some high-end store somewhere. So I'm gonna teach you some tricks on how to do that. The first things that I look for when I'm doing a DIY is, say I'm doing a candle. So I like to have a vessel that looks like it's worth something. I like to use wood, glass, and metal for my materials whenever possible. I think that they just have weight, they have substance, and instantly they make something look high-end. I try to steer away from things that are plastic and paper because I want to promote the best possible value to something, especially if I'm creating it from the Dollar Tree. I like to really upscale it so that it just doesn't look like it came from the Dollar Tree. Just because you're creating something on a budget doesn't mean that it has to look like it's on a budget. You want people, when you stand behind your product and when you design your product, it's part of your brand. You want your brand to be known for quality. You want your brand to be known for great design aesthetic. You want that whenever a customer comes to you, they have the confidence that what they are gonna get is worth their money. That's why I say I make everything with love. Let's take the wax melt, for instance. You know, Dollar Tree wax melts and all wax melts, even in Walmart or wherever you go, tend to look like this. They're packaged in a clamshell and, you know, nothing to it, just some cubes that you stick in a wax warmer and, you know, you call it a day. They smell nice and that's it. Well, I just feel that I think that my customers deserve better. They deserve something that is made with love. And if I'm teaching you something, I want to teach you how to maximize the product that I'm teaching you. I don't want you to sell this. There's nothing wrong with this. This has made millions of dollars, but this is what's called a core project. Why should anybody buy this item from you if it already exists somewhere else? And that's my point. You want there to be a reason for your customer to come to you. They know they're going to get value. They know that they're going to get a great design. And they know that they're going to get something that's unique, that the person that made it thought enough of them to make something that appeals to them and just goes that little extra mile to create something cute. So wax melts. You're gonna see how I'm creating these donut wax melts. What I'm doing is that I use my molds that I had from my treat days. I put the wax in those molds, added a little bows, added some color swirls, added something a little bit extra. It wasn't even enough for me to put it in the donut mold. I wanted to do something else. I wanted to create a swirl. So I put some candle dye in with the color, mixed it around so that you had some kind of little interest that went along with the donut mold. I didn't want anything to be plain. I like, you know, I have a Disney background. So I learned, I guess, from the best. You know, I learned that you have to make something an experience in order for your customers to really appreciate it and really get excited about something. It has to be an experience. It has to be something that they will not forget. So if I was to receive this as a gift, I think that this is memorable. I think that this is something that would instantly make me smile. And you know, it's packaged like this, but I can take it apart and put it in my wax warmer. So now, you know, it's presented as one item, but I can take it apart and put it in my wax warmer as I see fit, as my needs arise. So this particular guy is lemon citrus, and I just think that this smells really, really good. I'm gonna link below where you can find these scents. This has tremendous value because you have 24 wax melts here with different scents. But I didn't just package it in a paper box. I wanted the vessel to be something higher end. I want this product to look like it came out of a boutique, out of somewhere that's expensive. I want this to look like it is $100 wax melt box. And this is what it looks like. How cute is this box? All of these have different scents. This one is, here, let's run them down. So I believe this one is lavender vanilla. This one is peppermint patty. This one is lemon blueberry. This one is raspberry vanilla smoothie. This one's lemon mandarin. This one is pink berry freesia, frosted sugar cookie, and cotton candy. I love the variation of the smells in this box. This smells just like yummy desserts, and I just am so satisfied with how super cute this item came out. It has tremendous value. You can literally take off the pieces and put them in your wax warmer. So how long do you think this product is going to last? You've delivered tremendous value. You have over delivered on your packaging and your presentation. They have a cute vessel where they can house them in and use this after, and it just looks like it's a well thought of product. Now, if I was to ship this to somebody, I would definitely put cellophane over it and adorn it with a bow and a gift tag. So this is what I mean about leveling up. This is what I mean about taking something and making it look expensive. Guys, these candles came from the Dollar Tree. These candles came from the Dollar Tree. Look, look, Dollar Tree. The scents, Dollar Tree and Walmart. I'm gonna link them below. You know, I just don't think that you can get any better than that. The molds are candy molds that I had laying around. A donut mold, a heart mold, and some bow molds. And this is what we created. The imagination is a wonderful thing. But say you're not feeling so creative. How do we come up with the ideas? Well, there's Pinterest. There's Amazon, there's Temu, there's Shein. There's loads of places where you can go for ideas and inspiration. There's Instagram, there's TikTok, you can go for inspiration everywhere. So with something like this, I love donuts. The Valentine's Day holiday is coming up. So what do people get for Valentine's Day? Well, usually a box of donuts, and Dunkin' Donuts usually does a pretty good job with having some cute heart-shaped donuts. So I said, let's have a little bit of fun and let's create wax melts that look like a donut box. So that's where that idea came from. I love desserts. I love donuts. This could easily be something else. It could be slices of cake. It could be bundt cakes. It could be whatever it is that you want to make, whatever mold it is that you like, that's what you can do. These don't have any wicks. So I think that they're really cute to take apart. They're easy to do. They fit in most wax warmers, and you know, call it a day. You have a unique gift or a unique side hustle. You know, this would be a really good side hustle. One of these wax melts, I mean, can easily sell for $10. You have 3 pieces of a wax melt that smells super good. You get a cute little packaging box. Present it like it's a little donut in a little donut box with cute packaging. So you're gonna want to stay to the end of the video. I have something else that I want to share with you that will completely level up your projects. What candle wax melts would you make? What kind of candles would you make? Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm having a lot of fun with this candle project. You know, this is the month of the candles. You guys are really liking the videos, and I appreciate you so much. But guys, we don't have to stop here with how we elevate this project. So I like to maximize on my DIY. What do I mean by that? I like to incorporate a digital product that we can include that can further your sale, that can further your idea, that can further add value to your customer. One digital product that can be sold with this is a guide to how to make something look luxurious, how to make candle melt a business, how to create different scents, like a recipe book, like the candle recipe PDF that I included in some past videos. And if you haven't picked that up, I left the links down below. Go get it. It's absolutely free. You can start customizing your own candle scents. It is such a fun thing to do, and the candles smell absolutely awesome. That would be a very cute project, a very cute thing to do and practice with these candle melts. I have tons of freebies in there, guys. So if you have not visited the links below, please press it and go get all of the freebies that I have available for you. You know, digital products in conjunction with a physical product could lead to something called cross promotion. Cross promotion is something that you have when you take two different products and you offer them together. You buy one, you get this, you sell them two for, you have a 2 for sale, you have a BOGO sale. You can just really maximize your sale, your reach, and your scope when you combine the DIYs with digital products. This can even stem into print on demand. If somebody loves bows and somebody loves donuts, you can create cute t-shirts and cute graphics all with this DIY. The bow coquette theme is trending now. A lot of people love bows. Everybody wants bows. There are hair bows, there's bows in clothing, there's bows on bags, there's bows on shoes, gloves, hats, you name it. Why not create bows on candles? So it's all about knowing how to follow trends and look in unconventional places and apply that to your DIY. And then when you have something that's coming from the Dollar Tree and you apply the trend and the value to it, it is just going to be a win-win situation. So how do you select the right material? Well, what would you buy? What would you deem valuable? Vessels, people could tell the difference between plastic and glass. When you look at a high-end store, things or vessels, let's take vases. Things are usually made out of stone, out of glass, out of something that has weight, out of something that looks like it's worth something. Next time you're in the stores, do a little bit of an exercise. Go into a high-end store, snap a picture of something like a vase or something that you think looks high-end, or a candle. Then go to the Dollar Tree and go to somewhere that's budget and snap a picture of the same kind of item. And you can do a visual comparison and then figure out how you can take the dollar store version and upcycle it so that it looks like the department store or boutique version. Start training your mind on how to elevate these products from inception. It's definitely a work in progress kind of thing, but I'm so confident that you can do it. And once you do, there's no stopping you. So would you rather buy this or would you rather buy this? It is the exact same thing, but packaged differently. This is the difference between something costing $1.25 and looking like it costs $1.25 to something that costs $10. I hope that you see value in this video. If this is your first time here, my name is Maria. I go by A Talented Latina. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. But most of all, guys, I love your comments. Keep the comments going. They keep me going. I love to read them. I love to answer them. I love it when you guys say that you want to try something. I want to see what you have been inspired to do. I am so happy when I get comments that say, I want to try this. It makes me feel good, and it makes me feel like my content is being reached and received. And guys, up to date, we almost have 300 subscribers. I am humbled, I am surprised, I'm happy, I'm shocked. I'm just so overjoyed that almost 300 of you choose to watch me, and I thank you, and I want you to know that I appreciate you so much. Guys, please go grab those freebies down there. The list is just going to get bigger, so you're going to lose track of all the freebies, so you have to go snag them. So let me know what type of videos you want to see. I know you guys are liking the candle videos, but believe me when I tell you, I did a huge Dollar Tree haul. Guys, when I tell you I have a problem, it's a problem. My closet is busting out with all of the different things that I have in store for you. I have things with resin, I have things with wood, I have things with paint. I have all sorts of things planned, guys. This is just the beginning. We're just touching the surface. I just got stuck on candles, so it's candle month, and let's embrace all of the different things that we can do with candles. So until the next video, guys, peace.